Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube trending option not showing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you often check for trending content on YouTube, you may have recently noticed that the trending option has suddenly disappeared from the app. This isn't due to a bug, update issue, or any misconfiguration on your end. In fact, YouTube officially announced earlier this year that they would be removing the trending page entirely. This change was gradually rolled out and fully implemented in July. The decision to remove the trending tab was based on a noticeable decline in its usage over the past 5 years. YouTube revealed that fewer users were visiting the trending section, as most now discover viral and popular content through alternative features such as personalized recommendations, homepage suggestions, YouTube Shorts, and the search function. Rather than promoting a single global feed, YouTube has shifted its focus toward more tailored and category-specific content. They've introduced tools like YouTube Charts, where you can find the most popular music videos, artists, and songs organized by country or region. This allows users to explore what's currently popular in their specific interests without relying on a generic trending list. YouTube Charts, for example, highlights what's trending in the music industry, giving fans a more curated look at rising artists or top performing tracks. Similarly, the Explore section of the app continues to showcase trending content in categories like gaming, news, learning, fashion, and live streams. However, for those who preferred the simplicity and directness of the old trending feed, there is still a way to access it, although it no longer appears within the app interface. The workaround involves using a web browser instead of the mobile app. To access the classic trending page, open any browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to the following URL: www.youtube.com/feed/trending. This will directly take you to the hidden trending page, where you can view a list of videos currently trending globally or in your region. While YouTube no longer actively promotes this feed, it still functions through the direct link, which means users who miss the original trending section can still browse it, at least for now. It's uncertain how long this backdoor will remain available, so it's a good idea to bookmark the page if you find it useful. It's also important to note that YouTube's content discovery tools continue to evolve. With AI-driven algorithms, YouTube now places more emphasis on tailoring the user experience. As a result, what you see on your homepage, in search suggestions, and within your subscription feed is uniquely designed to match your watch history, preferences, and regional interests. So, while the trending page may be gone, most users are still seeing the most relevant and popular content without even realizing it. For creators and brands, this means a greater focus on optimizing video titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to align with search trends and viewer behavior. To summarize, YouTube has phased out the trending tab from the mobile app due to declining usage and an increased emphasis on personalized recommendations. If you're missing this feature, you can still access it by going to youtube.com/feed/trending in any browser. Keep in mind that YouTube's content discovery is evolving, so be sure to explore the newer tools they offer, including YouTube Charts and the Explore tab. Staying subscribed to your favorite channels, enabling notifications, and using the platform regularly will help ensure you don't miss out on what's currently hot. While the removal of the trending page may seem inconvenient at first, it reflects YouTube's broader shift towards smarter, more customized viewing experiences. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube trending option not showing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.